Hello YouTube, it's Naaman. Welcome to my channel. Drawman, jack of all, master of nothing. Going back home. My sisters came to take care of my mom, so I'm going back home. My mom and dad. Mother is doing good. Mom, not so much. My mom has been diagnosed with vascular dementia. She had a stroke last year, I think about last year. And they told us at that time that she's down to one blood vessel to her brain. Prior to that one stroke, she had many mini strokes that caused her to lose all those blood vessels to her brain. So we found out last year that she was hanging on to basically a single thread, a single thread of a blood vessel. Well, now that single thread is clogging up. Well, stuck in traffic. I muted the Google map. It was advising me to take a detour. If I didn't mute the Google map, I could have saved 27 minutes. It looks like more than 27 minutes now. Anyway, back to my mom. My mom hardly can speak right now, but I'm still hearing her. All the honeydews she asked me to do when she could speak. When she could speak well, that is. I'm still hearing them now. Well, not just me. She asked my dad to do it, and I will occasionally go home and she goes, "Honey, will you fix these doors? I asked your dad to do it. He won't do it." It's been like this for years and years. And I said, "All right, Mom, I'll do it tomorrow, maybe next day." Well, after finding out that my mom cannot be fixed, all of a sudden these small things that I could possibly fix it feels better that I could fix these small things that my mom asked me to fix before. You just have to replace parts. I guess that's how life is. Fix the things you can. Things you cannot fix, leave it to God. We did sort of have a get-together, family get-together for Christmas, even though it's not Christmas yet. And we had a little overlap with my sisters and their family. So it was good. 2020 is not so bad. But I do wish it's better. Yeah. In that note, I want to wish everybody Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Nothing like 2020, well, of course, for the better, right? Nothing like 2020 for the better. Happy New Year. Till next time, Namen out. Key to saving money at Home Depot. Don't lock yourself into buying the whole shebang, okay? Just find the replacement parts. Keep your eyes open. For instance, just because you need a doorknob, you don't replace the whole door. Doorknobs have a whole bunch of parts in it too. Just replace the latches if that's what's wrong. You could save 4 times as much. Just finding that out. This isn't as bad as the other door, so I'm going to see if I could fix it by spraying WD-40 and save this new one. There's other doors that's going bad, so